Do you struggle finding different ways to keep your audience's attention throughout your videos? The gradient overlay may be the trick that you need. Digital Art with Canva mentions an app. Oh, we can now add gradients to our text. It's a little bit tricky. I'm going to show you how it works. On the left-hand side here, under apps, you're going to click the apps and then you're going to type gradient. And this is going to be the app that you want to make your gradient words. What will you design today? I'm just going to put one big word here so that you can see it. What about if I put the word pancakes? If you know, you know. You scroll down, you can change your alignment to be left aligned, center, or to the right. If there's more than one line of text, you can change your line height. Watch this. Click the three nodes of the gradient and you can change them if you want. I'm just going to leave them just like they are. You can even add additional points to your gradients. If you don't like something that you've done, you can just click delete on a point. I can click add to design. The word pancakes is right in a gradient on my design. What if I change my mind and I don't want it to be that color, or I don't want it to be that word, or what do? Simple fix. You just click edit. It's going to open type gradient back up, and you can, maybe you just want one pancake. Flip that pancake, and maybe I want it left aligned, and I'm looking here and I want to change the line height. But here's the fun thing. You can take these nodes and you can change it to make the gradient look a little different. Let's say that we want it to look like that, or look, I can pull this node over here. I can pull this node over here. Watch how fun this is. We're going to drag this over here and maybe just have a little gradient there at the end. Update element, it updated it right there. I got to give a shout out to my creator friend here, Digital Art with Canva. Her channel is amazing. Go back to this and go to edit. If I click this button right here, I can slide this across the color bar and change that last little bit to a different color if I want. I can also select this and move it to the left or to the right. I could do the same thing here. Let me change that color to something else, maybe that. Now we're going to take a look and see what this looks like. Actually, let me reset position. I just want to see what this one is. We can just pull this one up out of sight or down. I could play with this all day. And then update element, and there it is. Flap, flap, flip that pancake. There is no outline feature, and you cannot add an effect to it unless you're me and unless you're you watching this video, because now you're going to learn how to add an effect to this. You're going to right-click these words, and this trick works for type gradient for this specific thing. It works for this. It's not going to work for other things unless you have more than one thing grouped together. Right-click this, and we're going to click down here. All right, so you can download this selection. I'm just going to download it as a PNG. I'm going to download it with a transparent background. This is important. This is a Canva Pro feature, the downloading with a transparent background. But in order to do the effect, you need it to have a transparent background. I'm not going to increase the size, even though I could. I'm just going to download that and bring it back in. I'm going to go to uploads. If I'd left it there, I could have just dragged it right in, but it went away. Let me go to downloads and find it. Flip that pancake. You'll see I've been playing with it all day. Smash that thumbs up button for me. It is transparent because if I go back here and change the background, you'll be able to see that it's exactly like it was. I can click edit photo, and all the edit photo things are there, and we can just click on shadow and add an outline to it. And that's how you would add an outline to your gradient text. If you want just a small, thin outline, just reduce the size a little bit. If you want a thicker outline, like I do for my thumbnail text, then make it a little bigger. But that's how you would do it. However, in this case, you would not be able to make any adjustments. So make sure your words are what you want before you download it and add the shadow effect. Let's just be simple here and add exactly what this is. And how I would do that is watch. When you click on it, animates right there. You can animate it right there. Tumble, stomp, you can, that's where you would go. Are you wondering secret ways to take your channel to the next level? Click into this video to discover features I bet you didn't know. And I'll see you next time. Bye.